Hey everyone, welcome back. If the Bank of America app keeps on crashing the moment you open it and stays on a blank screen or just never loads, then here are three things that you could do right now to fix it without calling the bank. First, go ahead and swipe up from the bottom of your screen, swipe up, and then close the app completely. Wait for a few hours and then reopen it. Then press and hold the app icon and then tap remove app, then delete app and delete the app fully. Go to the app store and search for Bank of America. Reinstall the app completely fresh. Most crashes are caused by corrupted app data from a failed update, and clean reinstall solves it. If it still crashes after reinstalling, go to your iPhone settings and then tap general, then go ahead and scroll down and tap VPN and device management and make sure no VPN is running. Bank of America rejects connection from VPNs and this causes instant crashes. And make sure your phone's iOS is also updated by going to the settings app once again and in the general, then click on software update. BOA regularly drops support for older iOS versions. So, all you've got to do is delete and reinstall the Bank of America, turn off any VPN, and update your iOS. One of these will fix the crash. Subscribe for more banking app fixes every day.